old girl started. Oh, I even have a CD player in here. I forgot about that. Oh yes. Wonder where the hell that went. Well, the old girl started. Still sounds good too. Three years I've owned this car. I wouldn't get rid of it for anything. Yeah, the old girl runs good yet. She still started. Interior's in great shape. I spent a lot of money on the interior mostly. When I first bought this car, the headliner was falling on my head, so I ripped it right out. I remember driving this car home the night I bought it. Pitch dark. I had an X-Acto knife with me, and I just cut it right out of there. Then I went and got a new one. Looks great. I need a new dash cap because this one's all cracked to shit. But I know where I can find one of those dirt cheap. $287 clicks on it. I bought the car with 208 on it, I think, or something like that. $19.85. I'd like to get an 84 Caprice with the wood grain dash and different style gauges, kind of like the Parisienne gauges. I like that style. Probably needs a good tune-up or a good highway run. Hasn't moved anywhere all winter. Didn't really start good on the initial start up again, did it? That and the valves are all friggin' screwed up on it. That's the main reason why I parked it, because the engine doesn't run all that great. It still moves, but it was hesitating a lot. That and the tires were done, so there was no point in winter driving this. I don't feel like wrecking this car either, with the winter shit. Anyway. Good car. Yeah, I wouldn't have gotten anywhere this winter with these shitty tires.